Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use snap layouts for multitasking in Windows 11. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to search for Snap Windows Settings. Here you can see Snap Windows. You just have to turn on this button. You can see different options here. You can customize it as you want. Here you can see show tabs from apps when snapping or pressing Alt plus tab. You can customize here as you want. I'm pressing here only on the desktop I'm using. So now go to the desktop. Now press on your keyboard Windows plus tab. Here you can see all of your desktops. You can customize it as you want. Here you can use your desktop for your multitasking. All you have to do just open one application. You can select this application and drag it to the left side. In the right side, you can open your another application. So this is how you can use snap layouts for multitasking in Windows 11. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.